You know what annoys me about most Temu FREE Gift videos? Nobody talks like a normal person. Everything is insane hack, 100% guaranteed, get free stuff right now, and then 5 minutes later you still have no clue what actually matters. So let's do this differently. No fake hype, no dramatic reactions, no pretending I unlocked a warehouse full of free stuff. Just the one thing that genuinely made a difference when I was trying to get better rewards. Here's what I learned. Most people spend hours looking for the perfect Temu method. Wrong focus. The bigger question is, what code are you activating before you start? Because that's where my entire experience changed. At first, I was doing what everyone does, searching random coupon codes, trying different videos, testing whatever claimed to be working. And honestly, the results were pretty disappointing. Small discounts, basic offers, nothing that made me think, okay, now I get the hype. Then I switched to the code on screen, not at checkout, not after browsing, right at the beginning. And that's when things finally started making sense. The app immediately started showing better coupon bundles, stronger discounts, bonus reward offers, and a much more active free gift section. Now, was it some magical overnight transformation? No, but it was the first time the app actually felt like it was rewarding me instead of just showing random offers. And that's a huge difference. What surprised me most was how many people never even give themselves a chance to see the better rewards. They spend 20 minutes browsing, then enter a random code later and wonder why the offers look weak. By the time they activate anything useful, the app has already decided what experience they're getting. That's why I keep saying the code matters more than people think, not because it's some secret hack, because it determines what offers, coupons, and reward opportunities start showing up from the beginning. And honestly, after comparing it against a bunch of random codes online, the code on screen was the first one that consistently gave me bigger coupon offers, better discount bundles, more reward opportunities, and stronger free gift progress all at the same time. Now, let's keep this completely real. Does everyone get identical results? No. Can some offers vary? Absolutely. But if you're looking for an honest tutorial, that's the biggest thing I wish someone had told me earlier. Stop chasing random methods. Start with the right code, because that's what made the Temu FREE Gift system feel worth using. Before you try anything else, activate the code on screen first and see what changes. Then come back and tell me, did your offers look completely different too?